Okay guys, today I'm going to introduce you 18 Madge at Jalan Yutan. This location actually is a very strategic location where it's surrounded by more than 15 embassies and you have 2 international schools. It's like a walking distance. Okay, and one more thing is if you are taking a drive down to KLCC, it's just like less than 5 minutes. So it's a very city center and a very peaceful living area for residential, especially for family. I'm going to show you the location of 18 Madge right under the description. Later you can click on for the location and you can go around on the Google map and you see what is the surrounding of this place. Hey, hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you one of the unit for rental at 18 Madge. Let's have a look. Okay, this is the unit that is 2,600 square feet. It comes with 3 bedrooms and 1 bedroom. So let me show you around. This is behind me is the kitchen. Okay, it's only the pantry kitchen. So they have another one. Another one behind here is the wet kitchen. All the way towards you have one more bedroom. Okay, and also it comes with one bathroom for the mat for this. This will be the yard area for you to do your washing. Okay, next one. Not forget to say that this is a private lift to your unit and is a solely private residential for only 50 units. This is a very low density. So when you come in from the main door, you also have one powder room on my left hand side. That is for your guests. Okay, towards this side is the living area. The dining area and the living area is attached together. Okay, towards this side will be the balcony area. Okay, this is the living area here. Is very spacious, especially for a gathering for a family time. Okay, next I'm going to show you the bedroom. It comes with 3 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. This is very spacious bedroom. Okay, and also it comes with attached bathroom. So every bedroom also it has their own balcony. Okay, now I'm going to show you the next bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Same thing, it comes with an attached bathroom also. Tada! This is the second bedroom. Also, you have their own balcony and the attached bathroom. Okay, finally, this is the master bedroom. Okay, watch until finish my video. I'm going to review how much is this rental you think. Okay, this is the master bedroom. Also, it has their own balcony. And right behind here is like a walk-in wardrobe. Okay, it's a very huge wardrobe area. Then towards this side, you have the bathroom. And it comes with the bathtub.